Hi, I'm Rich Heffron. This is this week's Delaware State Chamber of Commerce Legislative Minute. It's kind of a quiet time as far as public policy, although there are a number of things on the books that have happened in the last week, or at least are sitting out there. First, we're still waiting to have a ruling on the transmission fees for the line running from the Salem nuclear plant, over to Delaware and into the Middle Atlantic, where Delaware is supposed to pick up 90% of the fees. Even though we don't get 90% of the benefit, that is still under appeal. Also, the stormwater regulations that were thrown out by the Supreme Court, we're still trying to figure out what's going to happen there. Working with DNREC, trying to decide how to move forward, because obviously there are projects out there that's important that these permits either be granted or denied, so we can move forward with development. Also, if you've been following it, I'm sure most people who would watch this video have, a little bit of disturbance with the Newcastle County government and some of the changes over there. And last week, there was a ruling by the Supreme Court that said that the Coastal Zone Industrial Control Board and also the Appeals Board for the Coastal Zone did not have the authority to overturn the permits issued by the department, by DNREC, regarding the refinery. The Coastal Zone Board had ruled that the people the environmentalists who had filed an appeal with the Coastal Zone Board did not have standing, and therefore the Appeals Board did not have the authority to overturn the decision of the Coastal Zone Board. A little complicated, but that's in a nutshell, that's what the ruling was. Also, we just found out this morning that Mr. Breen will now be the permanent chairman for DuPont. It's be interesting to watch. He's known as, at least in the past, as somebody who has successfully taken companies and sold off units and made them, which supposedly made the company stronger. What that means for Delaware, I don't know. We're not sure he's going to sell off any more units for DuPont, but that'll be important to watch. And last week I signed a letter along with the Attorney General asking that $2 million of the $30 million that are left from the money, the fees that the Bank of America had paid for some of the problems with the mortgages a few years ago, be used in the city of Wilmington and Dover to help with public safety. I signed it for two reasons. One is we think that's a good program, and number two, the legislature used about half of the original $61 million to balance the budget. We do not believe that one-time money should be used to balance operating funds, that they should be used for one-time projects such as this one for the city, public safety for the city of Wilmington and for Dover. Anyway, that's it for this week's Delaware State Chamber of Commerce Legislative Minute. Thank you for watching.